In this video, we will share 12 daily frugal living habits to change your life. 1. Grind your coffee beans. You heard brewing your coffee at home is much cheaper than buying your favorite latte over Starbucks. But did you also know there's even a more affordable alternative to that? If you want to go still further in such daily frugal living habits, then take time to grind your coffee beans in addition to brewing your coffee. Together with this money saving, you will also be assured of getting the best tasting coffee you ever had. 2. Take stock of your food. Introduce a daily habit of simple frugal living into your routine by just keeping track of your food stock, more so on your fridge and pantry. Keeping up with this habit gives you the chance to keep pace with whatever items may have been left over in your fridge and provides you with a great method to ensure that you do not waste any food by having it go to waste. For example, if you feel that the apples are about to get rotten, then set aside those that are still fresh and freeze the rest to make a nice smoothie or apple pie later. 3. Drink tap water and use a water bottle. If you're hydrating with anything beside water, coffee and tea are okay if you drink them in very small amounts, then that might be a good frugal living habit to adopt. So if you drink 3 cups of coffee each day, replace 2 of those cups with water, which you fill up and drink from a reusable water bottle. This will surely help you save lots of money while keeping you properly hydrated. 4. If it's bright outside, then don't use the bathroom light. Well, it's a habit to turn on a light switch whenever you go to the bathroom, even if there is enough light to see fine without it. Unfortunately, turning on the light means using needless energy, specifically if you have any kind of vent that comes automatically with the light. A daily habit you can start practicing today to avoid this energy consumption is not to turn on the bathroom light for your daily routines like showering, brushing your teeth, or any other washroom stuff, which shall certainly save you some extra cash. 5. Don't use a full brush length of toothpaste. Did you know a full length of toothpaste is far more than what the average adult needs to clean your teeth effectively? The recommended amount that their teeth effectively need to use is just about pea size or half of your toothbrush length. You'll take twice as long to get through your toothpaste, which will mean you're saving some extra money by only using half of the toothbrush length and toothpaste. So what do you think? If you're feeling this is useful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. We are adding new content weekly. 6. Take shorter showers. Long showers are certainly one of the most relaxing things to do in the present, but they add up to be expensive over time. You know though, it's possible to take too long of a shower. One easy way to check this is by clogging the drain in your shower. If the water reaches the bottom of your ankles, then you're showering for way too long. Build this into an effective frugal daily habit today. Take shorter showers to help you save. 7. Use your dishwasher. Think washing your dishes by hand is cheaper on the energy bill? Well, you'll be sorely mistaken. Dishwashers are way more energy efficient compared to washing your dishes by hand. Since dishes are done daily, make sure that you begin daily in this frugal living habit of loading up your dishwasher. Set it in the energy efficient cycle and watch those savings roll in. 8. Limit your car usage. You're likely to be going somewhere in your car almost every single day. Work, groceries, picking up the kids from school, whatever. This unfortunately does mean higher gas payments and much higher maintenance fees. If you're looking for a frugal habit you can practice every single day, try finding replacements for your transportation when you can. For example, in case you have a neighbor with a child in the same school as yours, then alternate picking up the children. 9. Unplug all charging cables. Now you may be wondering, if the phone cable isn't charging my phone, it is not using electricity, right? Well, your charging cable still consumes energy whenever it is plugged in. Now here is one great daily frugal living habit to start. Begin to implement in your life not only unplugging your phone, but even the entire charger as well. 10. Cook at least 1 meal a day. The fact is that some people are too busy to prepare meals or even cook every single meal for themselves every day. Nevertheless, even cooking a single meal can be an awesome easy daily frugal living habit that's going to help you save money in the long run. So challenge yourself to cook either breakfast, lunch or dinner every day so you can learn this cool skill while saving some money for yourself. 11. Minimize your light usage. Now, if you were to ask yourself how many lights you have on right now, what would your answer be? If it is anything more than one to light up the current room you're in, then you have more lights on than you need. Other than having energy-efficient bulbs, learning not to have too many lights that you need can really help drastically improve the settings and save on your electricity bill. If you want to go all out, then avoid electrical lights completely and utilize candle lights. 12. Switch to lukewarm water. We have gotten so used to using excess warm water for most of our washing. Warm water, however, comes with a cost, higher energy bills, and more money spent. You no longer have to jump into the coldest shower your faucet can produce just to avoid those highly energy bills, unless you are into that sort of thing. However, a mere drop in the shower's temperature by a degree or two will already significantly reduce the amount of water your heater needs to use, which in turn translates into a lot more left in your pocket each month. Alright, that's it for today. We hope you learned something new and find this helpful. If so, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content just like this one. If you're interested in more about frugal living tips, then we do have other videos on the channel you can watch now. See you in the next one.